Hello guys, Frosty #1 here. Welcome back to my channel. And today is a really special day because today I finally got my scooter, which I've been wanting a trick scooter for a while. I haven't opened it yet. I'm doing an unboxing. This is called the Fuzion Scooter X5 Pro. It's supposed to be a really good scooter, and I'm just going to be unboxing it and showing you guys some stuff, and I'm going to ride it and do some tricks on it. I'm not really a professional, but I could do one of the minor tricks that newbies do, but I am a newbie at scootering, but I'll show you what I can do, and I'm going to be building it and putting it together, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay guys, I am getting ready to unbox it. I got all my tools right here. Hopefully I don't need a screwdriver or anything, but I'm just going to open up. Sorry if I have paint on me. I was just painting outside. But I'm just going to open it up. We got the instructions right here. The scooter right here. The bar right here. And nothing else. So I'm just gonna take these out of the cases and we'll roll to the next. So I just got it all unpacked. This is the grip of this is the whole scooter right here. The grip on it feels pretty nice from She's. And this is the bar to attach with the bar. And these wheels aren't plastic, they're like metal, solid. They feel really good so they don't just wear out. And I forgot what these were called, but there's like really good bearings in here. Spins really well. And then the brake just looks like a normal brake. Just push it down, goes on your scooter. Then we got the instructions right here, the tools, so I don't really need a screwdriver. And then the V-bar, really nice. The grip on the hands are actually really nice too. Feels really good. Then the triple clamp. This is the best thing about this scooter, the triple clamp. It will hold it solidly. I just hope the bar doesn't break, because I've seen some videos where the bar just breaks on other scooters. This scooter it's happened to before, but the reviews say that the scooter is actually really nice. So I'm just going to get everything ready to put together and read the instructions over, and then I'll tune back when I'm ready. So I am ready to start building. I read over the instructions. It just says that you need to put the triple clamp in. So that's all I'm going to do. Just going to make it sure it's straight. Put it through. Hopefully that's straight. I'll just fast forward from here. Okay guys, I think I got it tightened enough. Just gonna make sure it's straight. And it looks straight. So I think I'm just gonna go outside, bring it for a ride, see how it rides. This V-bar looks really cool. The triple clamp looks really cool too. Looks like it will do just fine. Fits me perfectly. The thing I really love about this is the wheels. They're not just rubber. They're metal wheels. Well, they're like metalish rubber. They're not rubber though. They feel really good. I don't think these wheels will wear out for a while. And I just read over the instructions. They just said that it's supposed to last for a few years. But if you like, don't leave them out in the rain or anything. But I'm just gonna go outside and ride it and see how it works.
Okay.
So guys, I had the scooter out here. I've been riding it for a little bit. It rides very smoothly. And sorry about this paint. I got paint all over me today by painting. And I'm just going to show you some tricks and stuff. All I can really do is, I can almost do 360s. Well, just barely. I can almost do tail whips. I can do half caps and 180s and all that. But I can't just do like the major tricks that the pros do. But I'm just going to show you what I can do.
End it.
So I'm just going to start out with 180. See if I can do this. So alright, 180. I can't really do a fakie that well either, which a fakie is going backwards.
And we aren't really good with this stuff. Like, we don't really know the names and stuff. I think that was a half cab. Correct me if I'm wrong, but
That's a half cap.
yeah.
Double 180 is half cap. So I'm just going to do a half cap. So there's a half cap. I can't really do a bar spin, but I'll try.
You just have to jump while doing it.
So I'm just going to try a tail whip now. Super hard to do tail whips. If I land one right now, I feel like this video. Okay, I suck it down. Now I'm just going to try to go onto the ground. I did. Okay, I'm going to jump the ramp. Ah, it's way too high. Okay, I'm going to try doing a 180 over here. It's extremely hard to land this. I landed it. Just gonna see how high I can go. Oh, I jumped right over it. Okay, I'm just gonna jump it one more time. I'll do that one more time. Do that twist, I'll show a replay.
He landed that.
Like for a few seconds. Now I'm going to try 180 off the curve, which is harder. Landed that for like 2 seconds, but I'll do it a couple more times. are extremely hard to land, but I'm going to try them. 360 is going all the way around landing. You don't have to do the twists that I did, but it's super hard. Oh, first try. Wait, let's see if I can keep it going.
Ooh.
Tail up, tail up. Oh, I landed that for 2 seconds.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, that was insane.
That was sick.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna try doing a 180 onto the wood and off.
You'll get there. Fail one. Ooh.
Pretty sick.
That was a good one.
I didn't land the last one, but at least I did.
Ooh, that would be a nice trick right there.
I'll try that next. Okay, I'm gonna try doing a 180 over. I only have to land it like this. 1 second. 5.
Ooh.
That was a 1-footer. I'll do it again.
He'll do it with 2 feet this time.
1.
Yeah. Ooh, he did that. He did that.
Let's move on to the next. So guys, I'm gonna try jumping off all the stairs. It's gonna be scary and hard.
5 steps. That could be like 3 feet right there.
And I'm authentically this so hard.
Oh!
That hurt my wrist. Okay, I'm gonna try a 360 off. Just kidding. I'll try jumping off it. It's gonna hurt if I fail.
That was decent.
Hold on, so
Beautiful sunset.
take that. I'm gonna try to do a fakie down the school. Fakie and down backwards.
That is really hard.
But I have a 180.
Didn't take him a couple tries. Yeah. Okay, that was good. That was good.
I'll do a wheelie over there. Or should I jump
Jump
that?
that, yeah,
I'll
jump
that after I do.
jump the rocks. That was good. That was a nice manual. Beat drop now.
Kind of ended it. I let go of my foot.
That was good. Whoa. What is What's that? Get ready for the beat drop.
Okay, this is the finisher. I'm just gonna do like a 180 off and throw my scooter.
Okay.